Hello class, today we are going to be practicing two different types of word problems. And our first word problem for today is, Jennifer has 18 Barbies. She received some Barbies for Christmas. If she now has 26 Barbies, how many did Jennifer receive? So in this question, we know how much Jennifer started out with, which is 18 Barbies. So we're going to put 18. And then it says she received some for Christmas, but we don't know how many she received for Christmas. But we do know that she has 26 Barbies now. So we need to find out how many she received. And since 26 is greater than 18, we know that we are going to be adding. So we got to find out our mystery number. So 18 plus something equals 26. And today, our word problem is actually a join problem because we are trying to find the change amount of Barbies that Jennifer received for Christmas. So first, we have our start amount, which is 18. Then we're going to try to find our mystery amount to get 26. So we are going to be using a linear model to represent how many Barbies she received for Christmas. So this is our linear model, which is a number line. And if you notice our number line, it looks like it's going by fives because we started at 0, then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, all the way to 30. And in between each 5 is little marks, and each little mark represents 1. So we know that Jennifer started out with 18 Barbies. So we'll go to 15 and count to 18. So 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to bubble in a little circle to know that we started out at 18. And we know that we need to get to 26. So here's 25, and we need to get here to 26. So first, what I'm going to do is add 2. I'm going to jump. 1, 2. So I'm going to add 2 right there. Then, since we still have to get all the way to 26, we have a huge gap of 5. So I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to add 5. And then we need one more Barbie to get to 26. So plus another one. So if we add up our 2, 5, and 1, let's add it on the bottom. 2 plus 5 plus 1. Well, I know 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 6 plus 2 equals 8. So our answer is 8. So if we add 18 plus 8, our mystery number, we would get 26 Barbies. So there was a change in direction towards the start amounts since there were more Barbies that we physically added or joined together from her start amount, which was 18. And then we have a result, which is 8. Therefore, this is a join problem because we are trying to find out how many Barbies were needed to be joining to the start amount that was given to Jennifer. So her Barbies altogether, she had 26. We found out that she received 8 Barbies for Christmas. So Jennifer received 8 Barbies for Christmas. Our next problem is a different type of word problem. And it says, Maria's cat had 14 kittens. She gave away some of the kittens. She gave some of the kittens away. She has 8 kittens left. How many kittens did Maria give away? So in this word problem, we realize that this is a separate problem because we're trying to find out the amount of kittens that Maria gave away. And we know that Maria started out with 14 kittens because that's how many her cat had. And then she gave some away. And whenever you give something away, you're going to be subtracting. And 14 is less than 8, which also tells us that we are going to subtract. So 14 minus our question, our random amount of kittens that she gave away, gives us the 8 kittens that Maria has left. So first, we have our start amount of 14 kittens that Maria had. Then there is a change in direction from our start amount. This is because of the kittens that are being separated because she gave some of her kittens away. So for this problem, we are going to be using an area model to show how many kittens Maria has or gave away from knowing how many she started with and how many she has left. So if you notice, here is a 10 frame box, and in the 10 frame there's 10 little boxes inside. So these two boxes actually equal 20, 10 in this one and 10 in this frame. So if you notice, I also have yellow and pink circles. Our yellow circles are going to represent how many kittens Maria had, which is 14. So I am going to go ahead and count out 14 kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 kittens. And now I need to find out how many kittens she gave away. And I know that she has 8 kittens left. So what I'm going to do is I know that this is a set of 10. And out of this 10, if I take 2 away, that'll be 8 kittens. So I'm going to take our pink to represent how many Maria gave away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 2, if we take away 2, we'll be left with 8 kittens, which is how many she has left over from her 10 frame. So 1, I'm going to cover those 2. So if we count those all together to see how many kittens Maria gave away, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pink dots, which represents how many kittens that Maria gave away. So 14 minus 6. So Maria initially gave 6 kittens away. So this is a separate word problem because we were trying to find out how many kittens were needed to be separated from our start amount given to us to find the amount of how many kittens that Maria had left. So we had our start amount, which was 14, and we had how many kittens Maria had left. So we had to find our unknown number that Maria gave away, which ended up being 6 kittens that Maria gave away.